remember these? It's giveaway time. If you didn't see the creation of these, they're for a giveaway, and I'm sorry you missed out, but I'll put a link to the creation so you can see how it was done and maybe make one for yourself. And for those of you that don't win, because there's only 2, you could try. So here is everybody. Do you see yourself on there? I hope so. There's few enough that I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way, which is cut up into strips, fold it, put it in a basket, and draw. So I'm going to go slice these up and be right back. Okay, so we have 2 that said boy. So I'm guessing they just want boy. So we're going to do the girl first. So to eliminate the competition for these 2. And I have no idea what was in this container. I've had it forever. So we're going to stick these in here. This is for the girl. She's so cute. I'm going to have to scan myself a picture of that. Okay. Do you trust me? I'm not looking, I swear. Here is the winner of the girl. Let's see who it is. Patty! Patty, congratulations! And yeah, I'll sign it. I'll sign it right now. Let's see. Where's my pen? What's a good pen to sign with? I wonder if this one even works. Putting this year, even though I actually painted that last year, but it's signed, see? Okay, congratulations, Patty. Well, I'll get your address. I'll put my email down below in the description box. Make sure you email me your address. You can put it in the comments if you want, but if you don't want people seeing your address, then, yeah, email it to me. Okay, so adding the 2 that want a boy, shake them up really good. Okay, all right, and the winner is Tracy Landeros. Congratulations, Tracy! Yay! Okay, yeah, let me sign this one too. I'm thinking about it. I wrote it on the other one just to make sure the pen was working. But so here we are, Tracy and Patty. Woot woot! Congratulations! And again, thank you everybody who subscribed to my channel. I am very grateful that you do. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.